Hello, I'm just going to do a quick review of this keyboard I got on Amazon. When I was looking for a mechanical keyboard, this was the cheapest one on Amazon, and I did a YouTube search looking for it. I couldn't find a single video about this keyboard, so I had to buy it blindly. So this is putting forward some good faith, and hopefully one day when I need a video, it'll be out there. So, the number one concern I had about when I bought this computer was the quality, the battery life, and if it worked well with my machine. Everything I wanted it to do, it does pretty well. It lights up nicely, has good battery life. It's portable and small and looks great. The problems I've had with it, number one, is the Bluetooth situation. It can't be paired more than one device at a time. So you have to unpair and remove the device every time you want to repair it. It's kind of a pain in the ass. The number two thing is, I love how it lights up like this, but the only problem is, the second you stop typing, it goes black. I wish it would stay on a little longer. Other than that, it's a great value keyboard. Most mechanical keyboards on Amazon are like $80 to $100. This one is $25, so to me, definitely worth the purchase.